Hello and welcome to Data Vlog. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to use sum function in Microsoft Excel. Also, I will share you different tips and tricks that you can use with sum function in Excel. Before I proceed with this tutorial, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to my channel to keep supporting me. Now I have this small sales data set of different months and across different regions. And I want to sum up sales month-wise and as well as region-wise. To sum up a range of cells in Excel, you can just click on the cell where you want to return the sum and start typing the sum function equal to sum, and you can see sum here. Press tab and you got this hint section here. Sum number 1 is the range of cells that you want to sum up. Number 2 is the second range of cells that you want to sum up. In Excel, you can sum up a range of cells that are in same row or a range of cells that are in same column. So now I want to sum up for January month. I have selected these three cells, close the parentheses and press enter. Now you got the sum value. To verify it, just select these three cells and go to preview section here. You can see the same value. And you can also see the number of cells that you have selected, count 3, the average of these three cells as well. Now I can select this cell and drag down this formula across these different rows. Now let us summarize region-wise sales. Instead of using sum function, we can also use sum feature in Microsoft Excel. For that, under the Home tab, you can just go and click on this AutoSum feature and it will automatically select the adjacent cells above the current cell. Press enter. Hold your left click and drag down this formula across different columns. So this way you can use sum function or you can use AutoSum feature in Excel. I'm going to delete all of these values. Now instead of using sum function or AutoSum feature to sum up a range of values in same row or column, you can use Alt equal to. It will automatically select the adjacent cells just before the selected cell or just above the selected cell. Press enter. We got the same result here as well. I'm going to select this cell, press Alt equal to, and I got the sum for this column, and I can copy the cell across these different columns. Now instead of summing up these rows and columns individually, can we do it at once with single click? Yes, we can. I'm going to delete these values. I'm going to select all of these cells. Also select one extra column and one extra row. Now press Alt equal to. Tada! It will automatically sum up the rows and as well as columns. Let us go and look at another scenario. In this case, I have three different tables and I want to generate total for each of these tables. But in our case, the cells are not adjacent to each other. In that case, select the first cell, hold your control, select the second cell, select the third cell, and so on. Now press Alt equal to. So this way you can use Control and Alt equal to sum up non-adjacent cells. Let us go and look at another scenario. I have these three different tables, sales data for 3 different years, and I want to create a total table here. First of all, let us look at summing up one single cell. For that, I'm typing sum function tab. I'm going to the first table. I'm selecting the first cell. I'm holding my shift. I'm selecting the final table, and as you can see in the formula bar, it has selected all of these three tables from 2021 to 2023 in the same cell across different sheets. Close the parentheses and press enter. It has summed up the same cell across these three different tables. But what if I want to return all of these sum values for all of these cells? Which means I want to sum up all of these three tables and return all the values at once. I'm deleting this one. I'm going to select all of these empty cells where I want to return the sum values. After selecting all of these cells, just start typing sum function, press tab, go to the first table, select the first cell, hold shift, select the last table, close the parenthesis, and instead of pressing enter, you need to press Control enter. We are able to sum up all of these tables and return all of the summed up values at once. Using sum function by holding Shift and pressing Ctrl Enter. That's all, folks. That's a quick tutorial on how to use sum formula in Excel. I hope you enjoyed different tips and tricks that you can use with sum function in Excel. Please do subscribe to Data Vlog for more Excel tutorials. And I will catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thank you.